Throughout this film, we have looked at the series of events that have been happening one after the other since the 1980s. And we have seen that these events, that appear so ordinary on the surface, are actually harbingers of a major development. These events, that have happened in such a short space of time, were described by the Prophet Muhammad centuries ago, and have happened in just the way reported in the hadiths. This fact announces an important truth to all mankind. The time of the coming of the Mahdi is here. Mankind, crushed under moral degeneration and experiencing terrible suffering, will return to the true path with the coming of the Mahdi. In other words, it will return to the purpose of its creation, and thus the chaos and the cruelty in the world will end. The philosophies that deny God will be torn down one by one, and the spiritual dimension man will again acquire will enable him to enjoy peace and security. This turning towards God and His religion that has begun in the West can be seen as a portent of this truth. We shall be looking at this matter in more detail in the second film. We shall reveal the important changes that will take place all over the world by means of the coming of the Mahdi, and see how these are reflected in the Muslim world. The return to religion in the USA and Europe will be examined. And lastly, we shall be concentrating on the Golden Age, so frequently referred to in the hadiths. We shall describe the great gains that will come about with the emergence of a new lifestyle appropriate to man's nature, and a drawing closer to God, as well as a period of great abundance and well-being.